first order came in pretty much right away. This is going to be for Starbucks, $7 and some change, going just under 4 miles. Meet at door, leave with security guard. Okay. Wait, is this a church? Since when do churches have security guards? Perfect, there you are. Have a good one. Easy enough. And I'm pretty close to the gas station that I usually go to, which is actually pretty lucky because I'm running on fumes at this point. Got this order as I was filling up. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $13, going just under 6 miles, 2 items.
Anything?
Yeah, I've got 2. I haven't found them yet, but I got Jose Cuervo, this one.
Yeah, right here. Just one?
Yeah, and then I got Tito's as well.
He'll be up at check stand 4 for you.
You'll bring it up?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a little early. I guess it's Friday.
And then just a scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next order up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This is going to be $7 and some change, going about 1.5 miles. I've got a feeling it's not going to be ready by the time I get there, but it's still going to be a good order. Excuse me, was this one all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I really wish I had a letter associated with this apartment number, because now I have to look at every single door to see if I'm even close. I'm just gonna get out and walk. I can't see these. I actually got lucky there. I accidentally parked in front of the building that I was dropping off at. Chick-fil-A, $10, going 4.5 miles. Yeah, I'll take it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day, sir.
Don't think there's straws in this bag. Please knock when you drop it off. My door has a rainbow doormats. Gotcha. Now, if only you had a pin that was accurate, this would have been dropped off by now. Next order up is for IHOP, $7.75, going 3.5 miles. Hello. Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $17, going 5 miles, 5 items. Four of these small ones. Pretty sure I just witnessed an accident. I didn't get a good look to see if they actually hit each other or if they stopped right before, but they were head to head, so who knows? Not my problem. Pretty sure it's this building. I just don't know which side of it. 11. Bruh. Oh, of course it's upstairs. And scribble on that line. Well, I just now drove by where that accident would have been, and I didn't see either of those cars nearby, so I'm assuming they were all good. Also, that order took me, what, maybe 25 minutes at the most? So that was a really good order. Need more of those. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going to be $10, going 4.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Bro, there's no straws in this one either. Well, at least it's not a surprise. They put in the notes that it's on the 3rd floor. Cannot wait. Up we go. It's been about almost half an hour now, actually, but I finally got an order. This one's going to be Chick-fil-A, $14, going 6 miles.
You're back. Sir, you're back.
And I get a water with that.
Will I see you again?
Maybe. We'll see. It says, hand it to me. I'm going to meet you outside my office building. I won't keep you waiting and we'll be ready as soon as you pull up. You better not lie to me.
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem. There's that. There you are.
Have a nice day, okay?
You as well. Thank you. Okay, they didn't lie. And it looks like there was a hidden tip on that one too. Total ended up being $17. Damn. Not bad at all. Thank you. All right, I am starving, so I'm just gonna call it early. Well, I guess not that early. I usually end the day around this time anyways. Current time is 11:14. Total is 91. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Also, my radio died again, so we can enjoy silence. Bye.